Can money buy happiness? Lagi nating nakakama across itong question na to. And I want to answer this question using my favorite economics concept, the law of diminishing marginal utility, or pwede ring the law of diminishing returns. According sa Investopedia, it is an economic law that states na as consumption increases, the satisfaction derived from each additional unit decreases. Ibig sabihin, the more that we consume or we acquire a certain thing, mas maliit yung nagiging additional satisfaction na nakukuha natin sa bagay na yon. And I really love this concept, guys, kasi hindi lang siya sa pera applicable, but also sa ibang bagay sa buhay natin. Applicable din siya sa pagkain, sa love life, sa social life mo, sa kung ano mang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Actually, I call this the law of umay. Kasi ganun yung umay, guys, di ba? Every additional unit, mas nababawasan yung satisfaction mo. Di ba? Nauumay ka na. This is the graph of the law of diminishing marginal returns. So, pa-curve siya, guys. Kunwari, sa unli rice, yung first rice mo super satisfying. Pero yung second rice mo, satisfying pa rin, pero not as satisfying as the first one. Hanggang sa nag-third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 11th rice ka na. Naumay ka na sa 15th rice. Negative na yung return. So, pag nauumay ka na, ayaw mo na. And now, i-relate na natin yung law of diminishing marginal returns sa satisfaction ng tao sa money. So kung sinabi niyang nandun pa siya sa, yes, money can make me happy, malamang nasa positive slope pa siya ng diminishing marginal returns na graph. And for those na nagsasabi na, no, money cannot make me happy anymore. Baka naman ang dami niya ng pera, ang daming units ng pera, nandun na siya sa negative slope ng diminishing marginal utility. Maybe sila yung people na hindi na pera yung makakapagpasaya sa kanila, kundi pagkain, love life, hindi ko alam. Meaning, sa sobrang daming pera na nila, an additional unit of money cannot make them happy anymore. This is purely hypothetical and theoretical lang on my end. Wala pa akong pinapatamaan. Going back to the question, can money buy happiness? Anong sagot mo? Comment down below.